Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Wambolak here with another video. I'm doing gel on my plain nails, my natural nails. Today I'm not adding any stick-ons. I'm doing gel on my own nails, and I feel like I have the worst nail in the world. Oh my god. Mm, 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 mm. Mm? Funny nails, but we are gonna work with them. Yeah. So I started by dipping my nails into warm water so that the cuticles can be easy to remove. I didn't show you that. And then here I am applying my gel. I'm using this baby pink gel. So I'll be applying that color on one nail. I skip the other one. I go to the next one. So the one that I'm skipping, I'll be applying a black gel. So guys, I feel like as a lady, if you can afford to buy the gels and the machine, UV light machine, it can be a bit cheaper, so that it can be a bit cheaper for you to be doing your own nails at home. So guys, here I am trying to perfect it. Yeah, as much as my nails are so looking so funny, so weird, I'm trying to make them look cute. So I'm not a fan of going to the salon. I stay, they do this and this to me. I love doing things on my own. I love working on my nails from home. So here I am, the first top, the first coat, and then I put it in the UV light. It dries. I add another top coat, another coat, and another one. I'm gonna use 3 coats so that it can be cute. So guys, that is the only thing I'm doing. Hakuna mambo mingi. As simple as that. And here are my nails. Do you love them? Do you like them? This is the first coat. It's not the final one. So I'll be doing this thrice until I'm done. Oh my god, look at them. Oh my god. So guys, so ladies, this is what I did.